Roy Macgregor by G. Morrison. He's red Scottish blade, Morris hairs on his head. March 1671 he'd was waiting. And during his life, through battles and strife, oor Rob would rarely be beaten. Ai Rob, jy brocht, en met het peer zocht, to feed his hungered clans need. Age echt en 10, Rob vocht nies te meen, we bonnie Dundee he spilt bleed. But van Dundee dit, en a los o het seat, Rob's da was jailed for treason. Peer Rob he had hear it, as broke his ma's spirit, and she did as her life had lost reason. Rob's health was na weel, but a wound at Glenshiel, but the strength o his soul gart him gaan. His cattle ears spent, gart Rob beweel kind, oor hero to Scotland and clan. Nout they were bocht, be Montrose siller zocht, but Rob's grief het teen to his heels. Montrose gart a baan, te Rob vee Rob's laan, zijn te outlaw Rob vee on he deals. Rob went on a run, his house burnt to the ground. Montrose le doen tjoeg English law. After long bloody feud and a lack of good food, Rob get up and was jailed like his da. Buckley ears look it up, Rob's pardon came up. He was free for his last 7 year. Rob's soul passed awa to meet Anne with his da, and his ma that had loved him said here.